Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. So today we are starting example number 21st in Miscellaneous Exercise 3B. In question number 2, total 39 examples are there. In up to last video we have completed first 20 example. Now let us discuss about 21st example. In this case we have to prove that the value of tan inverse of root x is equals to 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. If x takes the values in which interval 0 to 1. So now we are first considering, or we are denoting tan inverse of root x, say by we are able to denote it by any, let us denote it say by theta, or let us denote it say by y. So let y is equals to tan inverse of root x. So simply I am denoting this left hand side by y. So simplifying it, let us see what we will get. If we are taking tan on both sides, on this left hand side we will get tan y, and if we are taking tan on right hand side, then tan of tan inverse, means tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. We will get what? Root x, according to our property of inverse trigonometric function. Tan inverse of tan inverse of x will be equals to x. Here x is nothing but what? Root x. If you will observe the right hand side, here x is there, means to substitute the value of x we have to eliminate this square, and to eliminate this square we are squaring both sides. If we are squaring both sides, on this side we will get tan square y, and on this side we will get x. Now we are considering right hand side. What is right hand side? Half cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now let us simplify this right hand side and check what result we are getting here. Means what result means what? Let us check whether we will get the value on left hand side or not. So 1 minus x I am replacing by tan square y. Again in the denominator also we are replacing x by tan square y. So hope all of you are very well aware with double angle formulas of cos. So one of the value of cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Means 1 minus tan square y upon 1 plus tan square y is the value of what? Cos 2y, according to what? Double angle formula. So keep this half as it is, which is equal to half, keep it as it is. Again, according to property of inverse trigonometric function, cos inverse of cos 2y will be equals to what? 2y. So here we will get 2y. Again, after cancelling 2, what is the remaining term? Y. But y means what? Y is nothing but what? Tan inverse of root x. So tan inverse of root x means in this way, considering this right hand side, we have shown that its value is equal to left hand side. What is right hand side? 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, and this is the result which we have to prove here. So observe the 22nd example. In this case we have to show that this value of left hand side is equals to right hand side. So we have considered the same equation here. So here we have considered left hand side also and right hand side also. First we are rearranging the term. So we have to show that the value of left hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. So one different example is there, or we are using some different method to solve this example. Try to understand it. So we have to show that this value of left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is to show that. TST means what? To show that. To show that, keep this 9 pi by 8 as it is. On the right hand side, 9 by 4 sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3 also as it is. So this minus term on this side will become what? Plus. Plus what? 9 by 4 sine inverse of what? 1 by 3. Means to show this result, we have to show this result. Means in case if we are able to prove this result, so after interchanging the term using transformation, means this plus term if we are taking on this side, it will become minus and we will get this result. Means if we are able to prove this result, means indirectly we have proved this one. Is it clear? अगर ये हमने प्रूफ कर दिया कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से ये टर्म ये साइड में ले सकते हैं. सो वी विल गेट द सेम इक्वेशन. मीन्स टू प्रूव दिस, that is to prove this one. Again let us check whether it is possible to simplify it or not. So that is to show that easily we can observe that all the terms are divisible by 9 by 4, 9 by 4, and this side is also divisible by what? 9 by 4. If I am dividing both sides by 9 by 4, on this side what is remaining term? Pi by 2. On this side 9 by 4 will get cancelled. Remaining term is sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. Plus here after cancelling 9 by 4 what is the remaining term? Sine inverse of 1 by 3. Getting it? अगर हमने ये result proof करके बताया, so means if we are able to show that this right hand side is equal to left hand side, and if again we are multiplying both sides by 9 by 4, we will get this equation. Once we will get this equation, then this plus term on this side will get minus and we will get our required result. Means to prove our required result, means to prove this thing, that is to prove this thing, means to show this result, that is to show this one. Means if we are able to prove this result, means indirectly we have proved our required result. Hope these ideas are very clear to you. Now we are considering right hand side and simplifying it, we will try to show that its value is equal to what? Left hand side. Okay, so before that let us try to convert sine inverse in terms of what? Cos inverse. Why? Because this side is pi by 2 and we have one property that sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is what? Pi by 2. So let us check whether the terms can be arranged in the form of that property or does not arrange in the form of that property. Okay, so now I am supposing that let y is equal to what? Sine inverse of 1 by 3. If we are taking sine on both sides, on this side we will get sine y, and on this side sine and sine inverse will get cancelled, we will get 1 by 3. Once the value of sine y is known to us, try to find out value of cos y, applying what? Identity. Cos y can be written as 1 minus sine square y under root 1 minus sine square y, because 1 minus sine square y is cos square y, and cos square y outside the root will become cos y. Now substitute the value of sine y. What is the value of sine y? 1 by 3. So square of 1 by 3 will be equals to 1 by 9. After simplifying it, what will get? 9 ones are 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 9. What is square root of 8 by 9? Square root of 8 is 2 root 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So this is the value of what? Cos y. So which implies that y is equals to, means simply now we are taking cos inverse on both sides. If we are taking cos inverse on this side, cos and cos inverse will get cancelled, remaining term is y, and if we are taking cos inverse on this side we will get cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. So this is the value of y, that is, means we can say that y means what here? Sine inverse of 1 by 3. So replace y by sine inverse of 1 by 3. So sine inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. 2 root 2 upon 3. Let us denote this equation, say by equation number first. So now consider the right hand side. What is the right hand side of this expression? Sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3 plus sine inverse of 1 by 3. So which is equal to, keep first term as it is, sine inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3 as it is, plus. Now sine inverse of 1 by 3 can be replaced by, what is the value of sine inverse of 1 by 3? Cos inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. This value we are substituting from which equation? From equation number first. Now if you will observe this equation, it is in the form of which property? Sine inverse of x. What is the value of x here? 2 root 2 upon 3, and here also check, same value is there. Means we can say that it is in the form of sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x, and according to property its value is equal to what? Pi by 2. So here give the reason that since sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Here what is the value of x? 2 root 2. That's why we have converted this term of sine inverse in terms of what? Cos inverse. And we have got our required result. Means we have shown that right hand side is equal to left hand side. Means if we are able to prove this result, means indirectly we have proved this one. After simplifying it, we will get the same result. So that's why here we can say that hence proved. So now let us try to solve the example number 23rd. In this example, we are trying to show that value of left hand side is equal to right hand side. If you will observe the right hand side, it means required result is in terms of what? Cos inverse of x. So let us consider our left hand side. So since required result is in terms of cos inverse of x, that's why I am substituting here x is equal to what? Cos theta. And if you are able to, if you are substituting x is equal to cos theta, means applying half angle formula, we are able to simplify it also. So here substitute means put x is equal to what? Cos theta. So which implies that if you are taking cos inverse on both sides, so on this side cos inverse and cos will get cancelled, remaining term is theta, and on this side we will get cos inverse of x. Just simply we have got cos inverse on both sides. So substitute this value in this expression. See what we will get? Tan inverse of under root 1 plus, simply replace this x by what? Cos theta. Again minus, keep it as it is, under root 1 minus, again replace x by what? Cos theta. In the denominator also we are substituting the value of x is equal to cos theta. So see what we'll get here? 1 plus cos theta plus under root 1 minus cos theta. So which is equals to, keep this tan inverse as it is. Now according to half angle formula, value of 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 under root cos square theta by 2. So 2 cos square theta by 2. Keep this under root as it is. Just substitute the value of 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Minus under root, value of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Same way in the denominator, 1 plus cos theta can be replaced by 2 cos square theta by 2 plus, keep it as it is, under root also as it is, and 1 minus cos theta can be replaced by 2 sin square theta by 2. Now if you will observe the numerator and denominator very carefully, can I say that root 2 from every term will get cancelled? Means simply if you are dividing to numerator and denominator by root 2, so all the terms of root 2 from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So write down remaining term then. So means this expression will become tan inverse of, after cancelling root 2, cos square theta by 2 outside the root will become what? Cos theta by 2 minus, keep it as it is, sin square theta by 2 outside the root will become sin theta by 2. In the same way in the denominator we will get cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Now to convert this expression in terms of tan, why we are converting it in terms of tan? Because here tan inverse is there, then according to our property tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. So that's why we are dividing to numerator and denominator by cos theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. In the denominator, cos theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, keep it as it is, plus again divide here also by cos theta by 2, so we will get sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Just simply we are dividing to numerator and denominator by what? Cos theta by 2. Here what will the division? 1. Here sin upon cos will become tan, so here we will get tan theta by 2. In the denominator these two terms will get cancelled 1, and here sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 will be equals to what? Tan theta by 2. So which is equal to, now observe the given expression here, 1, can I replace 1 by tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 means what? Tan 45, and we know that tan 45 is equal to 1, minus, keep it as it is, tan theta by 2 also as it is, in the denominator 1 keep it as it is. Here nothing is the coefficient of tan theta by 2, means 1 is always there, so this 1 can be replaced by tan pi by 4 means tan 45 into tan theta by 2, keep it as it is. Okay, so just we are trying to arrange the term in the form of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B, which is nothing but formula of what? Tan A minus B. So means this term can be replaced by what? Tan A minus B. What is the value of A here? Pi by 4, and B is what here? theta by 2. Tan A minus B. B is what here? Theta by 2. Now according to our property of inverse trigonometric function, tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. Remaining term is what? Pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So which can be written as, keep this pi by 4 as it is. In our required result also, first term is what? Pi by 4. Here we have got pi by 4. Then what is the next term? Minus 1 by 2. Here also we have got minus 1 by 2. And this theta can be replaced by its value. What is the value of theta? Cos inverse of x. So replace theta by cos inverse of x. And can I say that this is nothing but our required result, means right hand side. In this way, considering the left hand side, we have shown that its value is equal to right hand side. See in the example number 24th, we have one equation is given to us, and solving this equation, question is to find out value of x. And if you observe this equation, some trigonometric and some inverse trigonometric functions appears in this equation. So let us simplify this equation. First, to simplify it, first I am taking sine inverse on both sides. If we are taking sine inverse of this left hand side, then sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. What is the remaining term on this side? Sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x. And if we are taking sine inverse of right hand side, on this side we will get sine inverse of 1. So therefore this sine inverse of 1 by 5, keep it as it is, plus cos inverse of x also as it is. On this side, sine inverse, keep it as it is, 1 can be replaced by what? Sine pi by 2. Means we know that value of sine pi by 2 is equals to 1. So on this side, we can observe that terms are in the form of which property? Sine inverse of sine x. And we know that sine inverse of sine x will be equals to x. X means what? Pi by 2. On this side, sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x, keep it as it is on the right hand side. Now we can observe that terms are in the form of property. Which property? Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So according to that property, whatever will be the value of x here, same value will be here. If at that time only right hand side will be equals to what? Pi by 2. Means which property we are applying here? Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. Means in an equation, if one term of sine inverse and cos inverse appears, and on the right hand side pi by 2 is there, means in both the terms value of x will be equals to what? Same. So comparing this equation with this equation, what we can say that since right hand side is pi by 2, means this value of x will be what? Here whatever will be the value of x is there, same value will be here, means which implies that x is equals to what? 1 by 5 according to this property. In this way we have got the value of x here, solving the given. In this example, one equation is given to us. Observe the given equation: tan inverse of x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. And solving this equation, we have to find out the value of x. So first we have considered the given equation. Now let us simplify it. If you observe the left hand side is in the form of which property? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. And we have one property that tan inverse of x plus y can be written as tan inverse of x. X means what here? X minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus y. Y is what here? X plus 1 upon x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x. X means here x minus 1 upon x minus 2 into y. Y means here x plus 1 upon x plus 2. On this side pi by 4, keep it as it is. Again observe which property we have applied here. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equals to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Now to eliminate this tan inverse, we are taking tan on both sides. If we are taking tan on this side, tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. And if we are taking tan on this side we will get tan pi by 4. So let us see what result we will get here. We are taking cross multiplication in both numerator and denominator. So here we will get x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. Just simply we have taken cross multiplication in what? Numerator. Similarly we are taking cross multiplication in denominator also. So here we will get 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 2. Keep this minus as it is, and here we will get x minus 1 into x plus 1, and in the denominator x minus 2 into x plus 2. On this side, tan pi by 4, keep it as it is. Just we have taken tan on both sides. So on this side, tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. This result we have got taking cross multiplication in numerator and denominator, and after taking tan on this side we will get tan pi by 4. So check which terms will get cancelled here. X minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2 will get cancelled. Now we are taking product of these two brackets. See what we'll get. X into x will be x square. Now collect the terms of x. Here x into 2 is 2x, and here x into minus 1 is minus x. Means 2x minus x will be equals to x, and 2 into minus 1 will be equals to minus 2. Plus, now if we are taking product of these two brackets, x into x will be equals to x square. Then x into minus 2 is minus 2x, and x into 1 is x. Minus 2x plus x will be equals to minus x, and 1 into minus 2 will be equals to minus 2. Now take the product of these two brackets. Terms are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. We know that its product is a square, means x square, minus b square means square of 2 is 4. Minus, here also terms are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is the product of a minus b into a plus b? It's a square minus b square. A square means x square minus b square means square of 1 is 1, and on this side tan pi by 4 can be replaced by what? 1. Now take the addition of these two terms. First open the bracket. Let us see what we'll get here. So here we will get x square plus x minus 2 plus x square minus x minus 2. In the denominator, if you are opening the bracket, what will get? X square minus 4, minus into x square is minus x square, and minus into minus 1 will become plus 1. On the right hand side, 1 keep it as it is. Check that in the numerator plus x and minus x will get cancelled, and in the denominator minus x square and plus x square will get cancelled. Now collect the terms of x square in the numerator. X square plus x square will be equals to 2x square. Collect the constant term. Minus 2 will become minus 4, and in the denominator minus 4 plus 1 will be equals to minus 3. On the right hand side, 1 keep it as it is. So this equation can be written as 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3 into 1 will be equals to minus 3. Now on this side keep 2x square as it is. Minus 4 on this side will become plus 4. 4 minus 3 will be equals to 1. Implies that x square is equal to 1 by 2. Take 2 on this side. So which implies that x is equal to, if we are taking square root on both sides, so on this side we will get plus or minus 1 by root 2. In this way we have got our required value x, and here in the question solving the equation we have to find out the value of x. So now see the example number 26. In this example also one equation is given to us, and solving this equation here also we are finding value of x. So we have considered the given equation. Now let us try to solve this equation. If you will observe the left hand side, it is in the form of 2 tan inverse of x, and we have one property that 2 tan inverse of x. We are going to prove this property in one of the example also. So 2 tan inverse of x can be written as tan inverse of 2x. What is the value of x here? Cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x. On this side, tan inverse of 2 cosec x, keep it as it is. So again see which property we are applying here. 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Well, this value we have got applying this property. Now if you will observe on both sides, term of tan inverse and tan inverse is there. If we are taking tan on both sides, on this side tan and tan inverse will get cancelled, and on this side also tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. Means in short we are cancelling tan inverse on both sides by taking tan on both sides. So therefore after cancelling tan inverse, what is the remaining term here? Cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to what? Sin square x, and on this side remaining term is what? 2 cosec x. So then 2 will get cancelled. Just simply 2 can be cancelled. On this side remaining term is cos x divided by sin square x, and on this side cosec, can I write it as 1 upon sin x? Yes, cosec can be written as 1 upon sin x. Again simplify it. On this side keep cos x as it is. Collect the terms of sine on this side. Sine square x into 1 will become what? Sine square x. In the denominator, sine x, keep it as it is. On the left hand side, cos x, keep it as it is. So cos x. On the right hand side, check what division we are getting here. Sin x and one term of sin x from numerator will get cancelled. Means in numerator what we are getting here? We are getting sin x. Now here we can observe that the value of sin x and cos x are what? Equal. And we know that sin x and cos x are equal only if x is equals to what? 45 degree, means pi by 4. We know that sin 45 is also 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Means these two values are equal. Means we can conclude that x is equals to what? Pi by 4. In this way we have got our required value x. See, in the example number 27, here also one equation is given to us, and solving this question is to solve this equation. Solving equation means what? Find out the unknown value, means find out the value of variable, and here variable is denoted by what? X. Means in short we have to find out value of x here. So let us try to solve this equation. So we have considered the given equation. So better way, take 2 on this side. If we are taking 2 on this side, expression on this side is in the form of 2 tan inverse of x, and we have one property to find out the value of 2 tan inverse of x. So we are taking 2 on this side, so 2 will get multiplied on this side. So 2 inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to, on this side remaining term is tan inverse of x. So here we are applying the property. Which property we are applying here? 2 tan inverse of x is equals to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So let us simplify it applying this property. 2 tan inverse of x, consider this whole term as x. So according to this property, what result we will get? Tan inverse of 2x, x is what here? 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, divided by 1 minus x square. What is x here? 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole bracket square. On this side, tan inverse of x, keep it as it is. Okay. Now we can observe that on both the side terms of tan inverse are there. If we are taking tan on both sides, so tan inverse and tan inverse on both sides will get what? Cancel. Means tan of tan inverse, and on this side also if we are taking tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. Means in short we can say that tan inverse on both sides will get cancelled. So here remaining term will be what? 2 into 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now if we are taking cross multiplication here, what is the denominator? Square of 1 plus x. Square of 1 plus x into 1 will be equals to 1 plus x whole bracket square. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. 1 into 1 minus x whole bracket square is 1 minus x whole bracket square divided by 1 plus x whole bracket square. This result simply we have got taking cross multiplication in the denominator. Now here it can be written as, in the numerator, 2 keep it as it is, 1 minus x upon 1 plus x also keep it as it is. This term will get multiplied in the numerator, 1 plus x whole bracket square, and in the denominator just find out expansion of this bracket using identity a plus b whole bracket square. So what result we will get? A square plus 2ab plus b square. And here also expansion of this bracket can be find out applying again identity a minus b whole bracket square is equal to a square, means 1 square minus 2ab, means here we will get minus 2x, plus b square, means here we will get x square. On this side x, keep it as it is. Now let us check which terms from numerator will get cancelled. Here 1 plus x and one term of 1 plus x from square will get cancelled. So write down the remaining term, keep this 2 as it is, 1 minus x also as it is, into what will get? 1 plus x. Just simply 1 plus x and one term of 1 plus x from square will get cancelled. In the denominator, open the bracket. See what will get if you are opening the bracket. 1 plus 2x plus x square, keep it as it is. Multiply by minus 2 all the terms in this bracket. What will get? Minus 1. Minus into minus will become plus 2x. And minus into plus x square will become minus x square. On this side, x, keep it as it is. In the numerator, 2 keep it as it is. What is the product of these two bracket? It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Its square product is a square minus b square. A square means square of 1 is 1 minus b square means square of x is x square. Now check the denominator, check that which terms will get cancelled here. Here x square and minus x square plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. Now observe the remaining term. 2x plus 2x will be equals to what? 4x. On this side x keep it as it is. Here we can say that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So in the numerator 1 minus x square keep it as it is. What is the remaining term here? 2x. 2x in, okay, keep 2x as it is. On this side x also as it is. Now multiply by 2x on this side. So 2x into x will become 2x square. 1 minus x square is equal to 2x square, which implies that on this side 1 keep it as it is. So this minus x square on this side will become plus x square. 2x square plus x square will be equals to 3x square, which implies that x square is equal to, take 3 on this side, 3 will get divided on this side, means on this side we will get 1 by 3. If we are taking square root on both sides, so on this side we will get x, and on this side what is square root of 1 by 3 will be equals to 1 upon root 3. We know that whenever we are taking square root, on this side we will get plus or minus, but we are not considering negative value of x because it is given to us that x is what? Positive. That's why we have considered only the positive root, means 1 by root 3. In this way, by solving this equation, we have got the value of x. Total 39 examples are there in this miscellaneous exercise. We have completed 27th example. Now only remaining 12 examples are there. In 2 videos we will try to complete remaining example also.